In the realm of culinary finesse, mastering the perfect pancake flip is a skill worth acquiring. The key lies not only in the batter's consistency, but also in the technique of the flip itself. As you pour the batter onto the heated pan, let it spread naturally to achieve that ideal round shape. Keep a watchful eye as bubbles form on the surface, indicating it's time to flip. Here's the trick. Slide the spatula gently underneath, lift with confidence, and swiftly turn the pancake over in one fluid motion. The secret to a flawless flip is in the wrist action, a swift flick ensuring a seamless rotation mid-air. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged by initial mishaps. Remember, the first side typically needs more time to cook than the second. Once both sides are golden brown, serve your masterpiece hot off the pan. Whether you prefer a classic drizzle of maple syrup or a dollop of whipped cream with fresh berries, the satisfaction of nailing the art of the perfect pancake flip is unmatched. Elevate your breakfast game and impress your loved ones with this culinary prowess. So grab your spatula, perfect your technique, and savor the delightful taste of success with each flawless pancake flip.